Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you popcorn lovers out there. We're diving into the world of popcorn with the Great Northern Popcorn Company antique-style popcorn popper and their pre-portioned popcorn packs. Trust me, this is the best popcorn for popcorn machines you can find. Stick around to find out why. Show visuals of the Great Northern Popcorn Company antique-style popcorn popper and the pre-portioned popcorn packs. We're starting with the classic, the Great Northern Popcorn Company antique-style popcorn popper. But that's not all. We're also looking at their pre-portioned popcorn packs that come in a case of 40. Let's dive right into what makes this product special. The Great Northern Popcorn Company understands the importance of a perfect movie night. With these pre-portioned popcorn packs, you get everything you need for a cinematic experience right at home. These packs come with the ideal pre-measured ratios of unpopped kernels, coconut oil, and butter-flavored salt. No more guessing or measuring. You'll get consistently excellent movie theater quality popcorn every single time. If you own an 8 ounces kettle popcorn machine, these packs are tailor-made for you. Each packet makes roughly 8 quarts of delicious popcorn, enough to satisfy 6 to 8 hungry popcorn enthusiasts. The best part? It's incredibly easy and mess-free. Just open the individual gourmet popcorn snack pack and pour it right into the kettle. No more dealing with measuring cups, spills, or messes. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about the benefits of choosing the Great Northern Popcorn Company's popcorn packs. Convenience is key here. These pre-portioned packs save you time and effort. Whether it's a family movie night or a gathering with friends, you'll have everyone's favorite snack ready in no time. Achieving that perfect popcorn consistency can be tricky, but not with these packs. Say goodbye to unevenly seasoned or underpopped popcorn. Each batch is consistently delicious. Let's talk value for money. These packs are not only convenient but also cost-effective. Buying in bulk is not only a time saver but also budget-friendly. Don't just take my word for it. Let's see what customers are saying. Customers love the Great Northern Popcorn Company's antique-style popcorn popper and their pre-portioned packs. From the flavor to the portion size, it's a hit among popcorn enthusiasts. Well, there you have it, folks. If you're a popcorn lover and want the best popcorn for your popcorn machine, look no further than the Great Northern Popcorn Company's antique-style popcorn popper and their pre-portioned popcorn packs. It's a game-changer for movie nights, parties, or just satisfying your popcorn cravings. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more unbiased product reviews. And as always, if there's a product you'd like us to review next, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.